Alright. Welcome to Paper Pumpkin. We are Paper Cut Crafts and I have my helpers. Let me introduce you to my helpers. This is a turtle.
No!
Mr. Turtle.
Yes!
This is Panda. And this is Miss Thang. They have their own channel with different names.
This is Mama. My name is still the same.
Alright, so this is from February. We're a little bit late. We've been very busy with school and 4-H and AHG and all sorts of stuff.
That hurt.
So we finally found a few minutes to do, I know. We finally found a few minutes to do the kit. So we're going to have Panda.
2020.
March 10 is the cutoff for getting your next kit. It is the birthday kit for Paper Pumpkin. So there's a free stamp set that comes with it. So you get 2 stamp sets. One with the kit and one is a free one for their birthday. So that's March 10 is the last day you can sign up for that one. That's that. Alright, so.
This video have 5,000 views. Thank you.
Alright, so we're going to.
I
know, but it's faster if you just slice it open.
Oh, I didn't know that.
So our color we're using is Rococo?
Hey, who had birthdays one?
Rose.
I should make this for me because it's my birthday on Mr. Man. It's stupid to make your own.
Oh.
You're right.
I inked myself.
Wait, ink me. No, what? Don't let that mommy.
Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and open the kit.
Don't touch it.
Here's our kit and all our pieces and instructions.
That just had home.
So we have
We
have 9 cards, so there's 3 of 3 different kinds. Okay, so I will help, and each one of you can pick one to
This
do.
one, which one?
So that leaves you with this. All right.
The one she actually.
So we have sequins, dimensional stickers. These are die cut. Okay, so pop the flower out and then give the birthday cake to Turtle. No, to Panda.
Mr.
You get this one.
Oh,
Oh, okay, never mind about the birthday cake, but you get the flower.
You can take them out.
Yes, pop it up. Alright, so here are the cards, or the envelopes for the cards. Look at that, that's different, eh?
That's mine.
So these are different kind of envelopes, isn't it? No, that's not yours.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
I see you.
Alright,
I do.
this is yours.
This is my envelope?
No, that's part of your card.
Okay,
This is your envelope.
Can I fold it and slide this piece into there?
I haven't gotten that far yet. Oh, look, someone gets, ooh, we all get these neat words. These are dimensional die-cut words.
Weird.
I have not seen these before. Those are neat. So we all get those. There's your envelope.
Why is it green?
I don't know. That's just what's.
Mine's blue.
That's just what it laid down as. Alright, so you have your keys.
Trade?
I don't know. This is yours.
Wait, my birthday one.
Yes, I know. Oh no. Hold on. I'm getting myself mixed up. You're right. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You're going to stamp the flower over top of this. This is what's confusing me. This piece here has a weird wash on it, and I was like, what is this? Is it a mistake? But it's not. They put the coloring on already, and you're just going to stamp over top of it. And so the fill is, it's like pre-coloring without the lines. Okay, that one's yours. Yeah, we're still organizing. Miss Thang, that's yours. And then you can pick a word, but yours has celebrate, but you can pick which one you want. I'm not going to be picky.
Lovely!
Normally I do one set of what is on the directions and then alternates after. But when it comes to the words, I let them choose.
Lovely! See? Lovely!
Yeah, those are neat. Okay, you have lovely, but you can pick whichever one I want.
I did yours.
Okay, while they're doing that, why don't you stamp your words? Yours is yours is this one. It just says birthday.
Okay.
Is that what you want? Just birthday?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because
your word says wishes.
I'm not gonna stop talking.
So yours is wishes. So your stamp says birthday, and then your punched piece here says wishes. So it says birthday wishes together. Okay. So let me find you the word birthday. So Miss Thing, you're going to stamp. You're a great reason to celebrate, but you also took lovely. So yours is going to be a little funny. See, this is what's going on. Your foam words go with what's stamped. So your card on here says you're a great reason to, and then your foam word was supposed to be celebrate. But you picked lovely, so you pick words that go with the word lovely. Okay? So
have a lovely day.
So you can have a lovely birthday, and then you'll have to put lovely somehow strategically on there. Oh. Yeah, see, you put so much ink on it that it kind of messed it up.
Oopsie.
Okay. Oh, I gave you the wrong one anyway.
How about just pick lovely again?
Or you can put...
How about lovely?
How about lovely birthday?
Lovely birthday. Where is that?
Right here. This is birthday, and then when you stick it on, put lovely in front of it.
Lovely birthday. Okay. So I have to stick it like this?
Yeah. But this ink, you gotta be careful with it because it's very gooey. I'm getting you guys mixed up because it goes like, there's 3 of them. I keep going you, but you're this one. Okay, so you're stamping on that one, and you're stamping on this one. Okay. So you're going to stamp. Okay, go ahead and clean the stamp off so that we can use it. You're stamping have a on the top one, and then birthday on the bottom one, and then lovely will stick in the middle like this.
Happy.
Have a lovely birthday. So this is birthday.
That's not gonna really work out. How you can print it with it fitting correct?
Birthday. Clean it. Put the other one.
Yeah, but how would that one fit over it without messing up the
it's supposed to go. The have a goes between the 2 L's.
Okay. Can I stick this down?
No, because I have enough. Okay, and then it says to adhere dimensionals to the corners of the printed die-cut cake piece. Then place the card front on top of the cake image so the cake image is centered in the scallop frame. Okay, I'll have to look at that. Oh, okay. Adhere card fronts to the card bases using dimensionals. Adhere the card die-cut flower and stamped labels to the card using adhesive dots. Adhesive dots? Did we get adhesive dots? I didn't see any adhesive dots. Okay.
Wait, what?
Oh, there they are. They were stuck to the bottom of
But I know the adhesive dots.
Okay. Avoid placing adhesives to the far left of the die flower and label. Adhere foil stickers to the cards. And then embellish cards with a sequence using adhesive dots. Place cards in coordinating envelopes. Okay. So everyone needs to stamp their stuff first, and then we can start putting them together. So you have stamped your words already?
Mm-hmm. There.
Okay, so yours says birthday. Are you done? How did you get it to the side like that when you can look right through the block?
I was trying to not move it as much.
Oh,
Let's
okay. Are you happy with that?
Yeah, I'm okay with it.
Are you okay with it? Okay, put these back so we don't lose it. Oh, you need to all right, so what you're doing is you're going to take, you have to stamp first, but the flower piece, you see the little tab that's on the light pink side?
There's no
On your card base. You see the tab?
This?
Yeah? your flower is going to sit over top of that tab, but not attached to it.
Like this?
Yeah. So that when it's closed, it lays over the light pink and the dark pink.
Like this?
Covering it all the way. The flower has to cover the whole tab. So you don't see the tab at all in the picture?
So, like this.
Right. So when you attach it, don't attach it to the tab itself or to the dark, otherwise you're going to seal your card shut.
So just attach it to this one.
Just
so it folds
right,
like
just to the light pink side.
that.
Okay, so are you done stamping your word?
Yep.
Okay, be careful when you lean over open ink. You're going to get it on your shirt. Okay, everyone has their words stamped?
Yep.
Alright, so now we're going to... Alright, so Miss Fang, you're going to get this little flower. I'll help you in just a minute. So see how they have it stamped right there? Okay? So it kind of sticks out from behind that flower, okay? So you might want to lay it down to see where it sits.
Or I could put it down already.
No, because it comes up from behind it. So you just kind of get an idea of where it is and then go ahead and stamp. It has it stamped once. So you may stamp it as you wish, but that's how it's stamped. Alright.
Can somebody open this for me so I can get it?
When she's done, you're going to stamp this over top of the color. Okay?
That's as best as I'm gonna get it.
And
Wait, then what's this for? This little slit.
for the tab to go into.
Well, then I can't put this down because this like physically does
Don't
that.
attach it to the tab. Like that, right? And then this tab just tabs in to the slot. It's fine. You did fine. When you attach this on, just attach it to this part right here, so that's loose. So then you can still move this so you can see the tab. Okay? And then you are going to stamp these 3 lines
Those 3 lines?
onto your cake.
That makes sense.
Okay? So when she's finished with that one, that's what you're going to do, okay?
That one.
Adhere the flower and the stamped
Like that?
labels to the card using dots. Okay, so if you want to go ahead and attach your flower with the dots. Yes, there we go.
I just lightly.
So this is what I mean. It was pre-colored and then she stamped.
Where is
Normally you can't stamp first. What?
The little helper to scoop it.
Oh, I forgot to grab it.
I'll
Did
go
you
grab
want to go grab it? Okay, she's going to go grab the U-Pick tool because they have a hard time with the dots.
There.
Beautiful. All right.
It's so satisfying.
Yes. Sorry, I'm trying to find stamped labels on with adhesive dots. So put this on first, and then that over top. So this is what it looks like. So they do actually have the flower, the extra flower coming off of it. If you want to add it.
All I do is that copy of it.
Oh, you're having trouble? Just ask for help, okay?
I wish I could sing about anything.
Hey, this particular ink spot is not a very good spot.
That
It's
was good.
very juicy.
That was good.
Yeah, look, you did a good stamp. You got the line up really nice.
Here's my perfect cake, people. Not done.
Okay, so see how they have that one right there?
Yep, so it just comes out right
Yeah,
here.
it just comes out right off the top. Alright, so now what you're going to do, you're going to use the dimensionals. And you're going to put 1 on each corner. Okay?
Okay. I don't get you
No.
Oh, then
Right.
So I'm technically done?
You put your words on there. Your words go.
Like down here? It would look cute down here.
Yeah,
Oh, so they do go down there.
Yep.
Wait, what do I do to stick it down? Dimensional.
No, you use the dots. Okay, now you're
Wait,
going to
Mama?
use the dots and you're going to put your tag right here. And then you peel the back off of here and put it on top.
Okay.
Okay?
So take a series on top.
Yeah. So you weren't supposed to go off the edge. What?
Why do you need dimensionals?
No dimensions.
What do you need?
You need the dots.
Dots.
The thing's easy.
Yes, just peel them off. And then what you're going to do is you're going to lay this down.
I think so. Okay.
And you're going to lay this over top of it so that it's the cake is in the middle. Right. Okay, and now you're going to take your this thing, your words, and you're going to put this one, you're going to wait, you have to wait for the dots because she's being slow. But you're going to put this over top like that, or I give you a big one, you're supposed to have a smaller one. Oh well, it's okay.
Maybe we can put this down there.
Sure, you put it down there. And then this one goes, wherever you put it, this one goes underneath it, okay? So, wait.
So I need this?
No, that's an extra piece. You can use that for like an alternate. No, I'm not putting it back in. You can use it for a different style.
Now I go open that. Now you put it in. Ta-da!
Okay, now
Now showed off. Now
you're going to let her have, you need the dots for that too.
How?
But we only have one thing of dots and they've been patiently waiting, so.
How it works. How it works! You constantly put that in. That's all. But you can't. Yeah, I'm not going to use it. Okay, I'm going to use this off.
You think you can pull the backing off?
Yeah.
Okay, pull it back.
I don't know.
I don't have a clue what you said.
Can I even get them off? You want to make it sleepy? Hard.
How is it hard? It is not hard.
I have nails.
If you open it from this side and pull it.
No.
Okay, I'm going to put these. These are for your sequence pieces.
What are those?
These are for your sequences. Okay, so the sequence are not self-adhesive, so you have to have an adhesive added. So if you pull those off.
That's not fully complete, guys.
Okay, I got 3. I put 3 stickers on, so just pick it up and blow it. So. Alright, so now you get your, you put your sequence on now, or you can put it on later, but then you put your whole piece onto your card base.
Pieces.
Alright.
How do you use your finger and do it?
We're trying to, but you point real quick. Where?
There. 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 Mama.
Yeah, that's
now
enough
what?
for right now.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Pull them off and put your sequences on. Put your sequence on those glue dots.
Hard. One. This is easy.
Now make sure it's actually on the glue dot. So those are the cards. 3, they're fairly simple, very nice. What do you think of them?
Really cute. Mine was simple, easy, and cute.
Okay, so we all agree that they're fairly simple, they're fun, they're cute. I really like the words. I think that is really neat.
I don't like even metallic kind of coloring.
The foil.
Let's wrap it all up.
Sure think so. We wanted to say thank you for watching.
Like and subscribe. See y'all next time.
Happy stamping.
Bye. Boo.